Right, movers are already here, grabbing my stuff. Already taking down one load. That's all that's left. That radio is the only piece of furniture that I have. Hopefully it gets to BC undamaged. Yeah, that's it. 2 loads for the movers and we're gonna be done. Nice and quick, the way I like it. Sweet. Alright, we're back in this cottage. Finally, after 3 weeks. I really thought my battery was going to be dead, but it's good. I started up. It was a little slow starting up, but she fired up, so we're good to go. Let's go back to Revy and go see my baby Uma. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to go see Uma. Let's go. Alright, time to see if my dog remembers me. Who's that? Uma. Uma. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. Hi, Umi. Hi. How are you? Hi. Hi, baby dog. Hi. Hi. Oh my goodness. Daddy's home! Daddy's home! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Hi! Hi! Oh my! Hi! Who's a good girl? Who's my girl? Hi, baby! Hi! Oh my! Hi! Daddy's home! Daddy! Daddy's home! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Hi, baby. Did you miss me? Did you miss your daddy? Hi, Uma. I'm back in the gravel. Back to being a dusty dog. What's going on, guys? A little cooler in BC. It's almost October, so the weather be a-changing. I only got 3 weeks left before I start heading south for the winter. Kind of excited about that since I've been at the same frickin' place all summer kind of thing. Oh boy, travel plans just didn't connect this year. And then with being in Ontario for 3 weeks, I'm just not feeling motivated to go travel around right now until I hit the States. But yeah, looking forward to getting new batteries for the van and getting the spare tire carrier and stuff. Really looking forward to that. And then while I was in Ontario, apparently Uma's been limping a lot since I was gone. So I'm trying to book an appointment to see if I can get the surgery done before I head south for the winter. I thought that would be a good time for her to relax if she's just sitting in the passenger seat for 4 or 5 days as we're traveling down to California, Arizona, wherever we're going. So yeah, that might be good for her to rest instead of being the spaz that she is, running around all the time. What else? Oh yeah, I got a couple people working on logo designs for me. The first one was a big fail. She just didn't do shit, to be honest. Never even seen one design or anything, and she was supposed to start at the beginning of the year in April. In April when I got back. But yeah, that was kind of a complete fail, so we're on to a couple other people to try. You know, I just want to make some stickers and have a good logo for my YouTube channel. So yeah, a little frustrated on that one. And yeah, just got to start preparing the van and preparing for any Canadian products that I like to take south with me. There's a jerk sauce that I always take with me, so I have to buy a couple bottles of that. But that grocery store isn't in Revelstoke, so I'll have to get that on my way. And yeah, I think the van's in pretty good shape for going south for the winter. Might need an oil change before I go, or I can get it on the way. But everything seems to be running well. The batteries were off for 3 weeks. And yeah, they held a good charge, so I'm confident in those batteries. I'm always worried about those crappy batteries running out. Yeah, we got this whole place to ourselves again. I guess with everybody being back in school now, that nobody's camping anymore. Which is fine by me, because all summer this whole row was all filled with larger RVs and trailers and so on. So yeah, I like having the place all to myself, that's for sure. This guy comes every once in a while, Thiago. Yeah, he's here kind of every day, every other day. But yeah, looking forward to going south for the winter, that's for sure. Uma, it's a little rainy out today, isn't it? Yes, it is. But we went for a walk and came back. Well, we got to sit inside for a little bit. I know, I'm sorry. Yeah, rainy day out there. Unfortunately, I think I jinxed myself when I said that the van was running good the other day, because I woke up this morning and it was like this light underneath here was flickering on and off. I'm like, what's going on? There was water dripping from underneath. Yeah, it's still a little wet. But anyhow, let me get a flashlight. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There's moisture in this crack here. And then it got into the little nook where the wiring is, but I don't know where the water's coming in, because I can feel behind the cabinet here. And it's completely dry back there. And then, you know, this thing is sealing it from the door. If water was dripping down the cabinet. I'm really confused on what's going on here. I don't know if I'm going to have to drop the cabinet maybe. Or what. But I can't figure it out. I did notice that the door seal on the outside is damp. Here, let me show you. You see how this door seal's all wet? But nothing else is wet back here. That's why I'm so confused. Well, I do feel some moisture back there, actually. And where's it coming from? Weird. I don't know. I put the awning out. Hopefully that'll help stop the rain from dripping in. Huh. I don't know if maybe it's the bolt holes from the awning that hold it in. I don't know. But yeah, didn't even get a coffee in this morning. I had to pull everything out of this cupboard and try and figure it out. I thought maybe something liquid fell over and spilled inside the cabinet. But there isn't. It's just like spices and stuff from over there. Not really any liquids in there. So yeah, when it stops raining or it gets warmer out, it's really cool today. I think it's like a high of 9 or 10 degrees right now. So yeah, I might have to actually unscrew that cabinet and drop it down and find out where this water is coming from, or look on the roof or something. I don't know. Damn. The fun never ends at the cottage. Woohoo. Oh boy. Well, damn. Now I'm growing a lake in my campsite. Oh well. I can't figure out where that leak's coming from. I have no clue. But anyway, it's good to be back with my baby Uma. was great seeing my friends in Ontario and family and hanging out with people and seeing everybody. But it's even better to be back to van life. I got to tell you that much. Can't wait to get on the road and start traveling south into warmer weather. And yeah, that's it for this week, guys. We'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.